Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We gonna translate when the past tense fihl with attached pronoun. The first one is ahlak naha. So ha is the attached pronoun. So you have to hide that first. Ahlakna, we destroy. Na is us, right? We destroy. Nahnu. We destroyed ha, it. Okay. Number two is ja'ahum. Ja'a, who came? Huwa ja'a. Huwa ja'a. So he came to them, whom. Sakulat mawazinuhu. Sakulat mean to become heavy. Sakulat, ut sound. Huwa nasaru, huma nasara, hum nasaru, hiya nasarat, hiya sakulat. It become heavy. Okay, it become heavy. That's how it is translated. Makkannakum, makkannakum. Makkanna mean nahnu makkanna. Nahnu makkanna. So what the meaning is settling someone or something. So makkanna, we settle all of you. Bring back the kub, all of you. Mana'aka, mana'aka. First translate mana mean forbid it, forbid. Mana mean huwa mana. He forbid. Ka, you. He forbid you. Ma mean no. Okay, we will not translate ma now. Mana'aka mean he forbid you. Aruvaitani. Aruvaitani. Aruvaita is like Uwa Nasara, Uma Nasara, Nasaru, Iya Nasarat, Uma Nasarata, Unna Nasarna, Anta Nasarta, Anta Uvaita, Anta, put in error. Anta, you all uh, put in error. Whom? Me. You all put me in error, kind of translation. Number seven, Tabi'a. Tabi'a ka, remove the ka, Tabi'a to follow. Huwa Tabi'a. Huwa Tabi'a. So, he follow, Huwa Tabi'a, he followed. Whom? Now bring back the ka. He followed you. He followed you. Number eight. Favasvasa. Favasvasa. Only vasvasa is the field. Vasvasa mean whispering. Who whisper? Who vasvasa? He whispered. He whispered lahuma for both of them. Okay. So later on we will learn what Shaitan is doing here. Later on we can learn. And next one is wakasama. Kasama. Huwa kasama. Swear to someone. So huwa mean he swear to both of them. Okay, huma. Then zaka mean taste. Zaka mean taste. Zaka comes from huwa zaka. Huwa zaka. That means he tasted. What he tasted? Uh, he tasted shadarata, the tree. Okay. He tasted zaka actually. Zaka. Zaka mean huwa zaka. Huwa zaka. Huma zaka. Both of them taste. So both of them tasted the tree. Okay. Zaka. Next one is lalamna anfusana. Lalamna. Lalamna is like nasarna. Who wronged? Lalamna. Na. Us. Nahnu. We wronged. Past tense. We wronged. Next one is akhraja. Akhraja. Kharaja mean exit or expel. So akhraja mean huwa akhraja. He expelled. He expelled. The next word is fa'alu. Fa'alu. Whom fa'alu. Fa'ala mean to do something. So they did. They did. Amara is command. Huwa amara. He commanded. Man harrama zinatallahi. Harrama mean make it illegal or make it forbid. So harrama huwa harrama. He made it. He made make it illegal or he forbid it. Next one is ja'a. Ja'a. Ja'a mean come. So huwa ja'a. He came. He came. Number 17. Kadzabu. Kadzabu. Huwa kazzaba, huma kazzaba, hum kazzabu. That means they lied. They deny. Wastakbaru. Same whom. They denied and they become arrogant. or they arrogant. So that's the idea. Okay. So it's simple that if you know that huwa nasaru, huma nasara, hum nasaru chart properly, that means based on ending sound you can tell inside this field who is the doer hiding. That will be help uh, to identify what is the pronoun, hidden pronoun inside this. That means who's the doer inside this fi'l. Okay, so that's the idea. So subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu.